Hotpoint Aquarius WML540 won't start, and the lock light is always on, and door therefore locked. I've seen a few versions of this problem on this website, however here is mine, a little different than the others. 1. Put machine on, cycle presumably finished, lock light on, door locked. 2. Tried a few things, including unplugging and trying to start the cycle again, it would not. 3. I gave up and unplugged the machine, released the door with green tab on the bottom, it opened OK. 3. I plugged the machine back, put the washing on again, as I was not sure it did a full cycle, just removing a couple of items thinking that it was due to overload. 4. Cycle starts correctly, so I got convinced it was overload. 5. I go back a couple of hours later and same story, lock light on, door locked. This time is not overloaded for sure, and the only way to open it was with the green tab at the bottom. Now the machine won't start at all and the lock light is on as soon as I plug it back. Any idea? The machine is a little over 2 years old. Thanks a million. Rita.
Welcome, my name is XXXXXXXXXXX. I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. I'm so sorry that no one else has responded to you. Apologies for my delay in replying, I only just came online and saw your question. Are you still looking for help with this? Please just use the reply button to contact me. Hi Rita, how frustrating. This sounds like you have a faulty door lock. If you have a multimeter, it may be worth testing it. Failing that, I would suggest changing it. It's not too difficult to replace. If you want to do it yourself, let me know and it'll try and help you. If you prefer, I can get you a quote for the repair. I just need your postcode. Thanks, Rob.
Hi Rob, thanks for the answer. But I do not think this is the door lock problem, or at least not that only. The issue is now that the door is properly locked and relevant light is shown red on the right vertical panel, but the machine won't start any cycle, even just pump out or rinse. I suppose that the door lock problem would not prevent the machine from starting if the door was properly locked. Correct. Thanks a lot for the answer. Rita.
Hi Rita, although the door may be locked, the machine seems not to be sensing that. Likewise, the lock won't release. Both of these are consistent with a faulty door lock. The other thing it could be is the main control board. It may be worth looking at this for any burn marks. Unfortunately, it's not possible for the homeowner to test the board due to its complex electronics, but if it is burnt, that's not a good sign. Thanks, Rob.
Hi Rob, thanks a million for all the explanation. One last question WRT to your latest answer. I understand that if it is the main control board itself, there is little I can do. However, could it be connection to the board rather than the board itself? Maybe these connections moved around a little and caused the issue. If this is at all possible, is there any way I can check just the connections myself and see if that fixes the problem? Failing that, I'll be calling somebody to check the machine. I am not sure if this is still under warranty as I did not buy and install this myself. I need to check. Thanks a million, Rita.
Hi Rita, it's possible you have a loose connection, either at the lock or on the board. You should look closely at all the connections and adjacent wiring. If there is any burning, that's the trouble. You can also try removing one connector at a time. Anything that feels loose, just tighten the connector slightly and refit. If I can help further, please just ask me. In the meantime, can I ask you to take a moment and rate my response? Please use the smiley faces which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. This will not close your question and you can still come back to me if you need more help. Thanks, Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.